Welcome this video. Plants for porch outdoor your front door. Your front door is the more than just and enhance. It's the first impression guests receive and the day welcome home. One of the enthusiasts and more challenge away to add personal warmth and cup appear its is by place propose size your front door, whether the perfect bright seasoning bloom, lush greenery, or architecture every gardening, those are controllers or to sub your yard and climax. We explore the best plants for porch outdoor this your front door type and arrangement theme beautiful and how to keep theme all year round. When choose post plant, post plant are versatile and about you can easy change theme out with the seasoning more theme for sunlight or switch up your style this perfect and wrote those which limited gardening space or anyone look to strip up those enters away. Here which make post plant idea for front door decoration. Cup appear a pull of gardening the color add charm and publish fixable switch out plants and each seasoning special oasis. Personal style for modern minimalists cook charm plants help excellent your various evening side pouch or spotted can host a few beautiful pots. Then consider before choose the plants. Before you start plants, take a few moments to architect your space and consider this enhance your style and stood look gardening. Sunlight, how much sun your front door area get even day. Full sun, 6 plus hour sunlight, shade 3 to 6, full shade less than 3 hours of sun. Choose plant based on the moment on light your enhance. Atras away receive main entrance. How much time do you want space on cost? Some plants need water during hard or pull while other from perfect hard out. Stylish professional, do you like various color or a more natural look? Here are your going and seasoning over while display less your attack a static gas for choose. Consider your hard zone or low water. Some plants are more hardy, while other thrive in cool top plants for front door pots. Here are mix of plant both flower and experiment that are while sub you consider and look amazing by your front yard.